Welcome back to the InfoFlux. In today's video, I am going to show you how I connected the DF Robot voice recognition module with the ESP8266 and added a DHT temperature and humidity sensor so that when I say read temperature, the ESP8266 automatically send me the latest temperature and humidity readings. So let's get started. For this project, you will need an ESP8266 board, a DF Robot voice recognition module, a DHT1 temperature and humidity sensor, a few jumper wires, and a breadboard. That's all you need to bring your voice controlled IoT project to life. The DF Robot voice recognition module communicates with the ESP8266 using I2C communication. So I have connected module SDA pin to ESP8266 D2 pin, module SCL to ESP8266 D1 pin, VCC to 5 volt, and ground to ground. Next, the DHT sensor. VCC pin to 3.3 volt, ground to ground, and signal pin to D3 pin. First click on the Google Apps icon and then select Sheets. Next, click on Blank Sheet to create a new spreadsheet. Give your Google Sheet a meaningful name so it's easy to identify later. We will be using 4 columns to store our sensor data: date, time, temperature, and humidity. Go ahead and create these 4 columns headers in your sheet. Now click on Extensions in the top menu. Then choose AppScript. Once the AppScript editor opens, copy and paste the provided code into it. After saving the script, copy the script ID from your Google Sheet. Return to your main code and paste this script ID where required. Then click on the Deploy button in the AppScript editor. Click on New Deployment. Then choose Enable Deployment Types. Select Deploy as Web App. Under the Access options, select anyone and click Deploy. Choose the Google account you used to create the sheet. When prompted, go to Untitled Project Unsafe. And then allow to give the script access to your account. Once deployed, you will receive a deployment ID. Copy this. It will be used in your ESP8266 code. Finally, open your Arduino or ESP8266 code and paste the deployment ID into the appropriate section. Install the required libraries. I have used 69 in the code. Which is used in the DF Robot voice recognition module to read temperature. Upload the code to the ESP8266. Now that we have completed all the connections and uploaded the code, it's time to see our project in action. Turn on the voice recognition module.
You're welcome to. Yes.
You have to wait for 20 seconds. When you hear the voice, I am off now,
I'm off now.
then speak the wake up word. Hello robot.
Hello, robot.
The blue LED will be turned on in the module. And now you can command the
Read
voice
temperature.
recognition module. Let's give a voice command to the system. I will say read temperature. You can see that after a few seconds, the temperature and humidity is appeared on the Google Sheet with date and time.
Read temperature.
Every time I repeat the command, the system automatically updates the Google Sheet with the latest sensor values. No manual entry needed. So that's the practical demonstration of our project. A smart system that
Read
listens to
temperature.
your voice, reads environmental data, and store it online automatically. If you enjoyed this
Read
project
temperature.
or found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing IoT and Arduino tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next project.